Hey everyone, if you want to completely uninstall OBS Blade from your device, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step, including how to remove leftover files if you want a cleaner uninstall. So yeah, let's jump right in. Before uninstalling the app, make sure OBS Blade isn't running in the background. If it's open, close it normally. Then check your system tray or background apps and make sure it's fully exited before moving on. Next, open your computer's installed apps list. On Windows, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. If you're using another operating system, open the section where installed applications are managed. Now use the search bar to look for OBS Blade. Once it appears in the list, select it to reveal the available options. You should see an uninstall option right there. Click Uninstall, then confirm if Windows asks for permission. Follow any prompts that appear until the uninstall process finishes. This usually only takes a few moments, depending on your system. If you want a cleaner removal, you can also delete any leftover folders after the uninstall finishes. Check locations like the Program Files folder, App Data if applicable, or any custom installation folder you originally selected. Only remove folders that clearly belong to OBS Blade. Finally, restart your computer. It isn't always required, but it helps make sure any remaining background components are fully cleared from memory, and that's it. OBS Blade has been removed from your computer. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to check out my other quick tech guides for more simple walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.